Okay, so first of all, how do we know that this is an equation? What indicates that it's an equation? There's an equal sign. If you have an equation, it means you can solve it. An equation can be solved, okay? We only have one unknown variable, so we can solve it. One way we could do this is cross multiplication. So I can take the numerator and multiply it by the denominator on the other side of the equation. So how would I show x minus 1 times 5? How would you write that? 5, because we're taking the number 5 and we're multiplying it by everything, right? Is equal to, now what do I multiply? 3 times everything that's the numerator, 2x minus 3. Now we have to use distributive property. I have a number 5, and I need to multiply it by everything inside the bracket. So distribute the 5 over, what's the first thing you multiply it by? X, so what's 5 times x? And I have to multiply 5 times negative 1. What's 5 times negative 1? Negative 5. I've expanded that now, right? Do the same thing on the right side. Chester, Kosh, what's 3 times 2x? Good. And I multiply 3 times what? 3 times 9? No. 3 times... No. 3 times negative 3. What's 3? It's very important that you include the sign, otherwise your answer is going to be incorrect. What's positive 3 times negative 3? Okay, now we're trying to isolate, we're trying to solve for x. So in order to isolate x, I need to group all my x's together, right? So we want to keep all the x's on the left side of the equation. I have a 5x on the left side, but I have a 6x on the right side. So what do I need to do? Yep, Lee? I need to subtract 6x. Good, because if I subtract 6x here, it's gone. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So now I've grouped my like terms together, my x's together. But on the right side, I have a negative 9, so that's going to stay there. On the left side, I had a negative 5. I want to get rid of that, so what does it become? Plus 5. Okay, now we can simplify. What's 5x take away 6x? Negative 1x, or negative x, good. And then we have negative 9 plus 5 is negative 4. But I need to know what positive x is equal to. So what do I need to get rid of? What do I need to do to isolate the x here? Divide by negative 1. Negative 1 divided by negative 1 is the same as just writing x, right? So what do I need to do to the right side? Divide by, what's negative? Divide by negative? So the answer is x equals 4. You can plug it back into the original question and see if it works. The left side should balance the right side. They should be equal, hence the equal sign. Whenever you see a number in front of a bracket or a term in front of a bracket, you want to distribute only that term. So this is positive 6. You want to multiply the term in front of the bracket by everything inside the bracket. So we're going to leave the y. You don't touch the y right now. I'm just going to distribute 6 times y and 6 times negative 3. What's 6 times y? What's positive 6 times negative 3? Good. Okay, what do I do on the right side now? Which is, Eric? Equals? Okay, this is now similar to the question we just did. Bring all your like terms together. Wait, did I want to put all the y's together? So what are the y terms?
1y plus 6y, and then bring it with 6y, positive 6y becomes negative 6y.
Good, good. Okay, so we've kept that on the left side and we've brought that to the left side. And what's on the right side?
Positive 18 and negative.
Okay, so it doesn't matter what order you write it in. We have my negative 4, and the negative 18 becomes positive 18. If you write it as positive 18 minus 4, you'll get the same answer. The order doesn't matter as long as you're including the sign, right? What's negative 4 plus 18? What's 18 take away 4? Same thing, okay? So we know the right side is 14. What's 1y plus 6y? Take away 6y. 1y or just y? Y equals 14.